It's time for another episode of Welcome to My Night, where I show you my night shift working on my small business. In the last episode, I ran out of freebies for my orders, so tonight I'm getting started with that. I'm doing something special for my customers tonight. I am breaking out the vintage treat bags. Do these remind you of your childhood? Do you follow Crazy Coupon Lady? I follow her, and I got a bunch of candy on a crazy coupon deal. So I'm filling up these vintage treat sacks. They remind me of childhood so much, and I love them so much. I would remember getting them in my trick-or-treat bag when I went trick-or-treating, and they were my favorite. So yes, I have been hoarding some. And yes, I'm spoiling my customers with some. Now, I switch up my freebies every single time. When I run out of one thing, I will either do a candy or a free reading or affirmation or something like that. So it just so happens we're doing candy. I am printing out the labels to seal them. So cute with the little candy. I design all my stuff myself. And this was so therapeutic to put these together. I just love it so much. This is like not even work for me. Aren't they so cute all together? Which one's your favorite? I think I like the little black cat the best. And then I printed out some orders. I package orders same day. So every night I am packaging your orders. Of course, I do assembly line. I do a thank you with every single order. And I pack them. Ooh, she got a little Sour Patch. But yeah, I change out my freebies every single time. Everyone gets something different. So it's like a surprise. I have a product where customers come back again and again. So I don't want them to have the same thing. And today was a busy night. So I am making sure that I can fill up this box because I don't want to take 2 boxes to the post office because it's a lot of work. But yeah, that was my night. Thanks. Bye.